Om Shri Sai Ram. I'm Vaishali and I have just retired December 2024, 31st December, as a deputy manager of a model dairy plant in Karnal, Haryana. So I came in touch with Baba way back in 2004, 2005. And after many years of coming here at Prashanti Nilayam, in 2012, I started with Prashanti Seva. So I joined as Prashanti Seva Dal from Haryana, and then I continued till I'm still continuing with just 2 years, once in COVID and once more when my father had expired. I could not do the Seva. Otherwise, continuously, I have been coming here as a Prashanti Sevadal, and I have been Deputy Additional State Coordinator Haryana Prashanti Sevadal Ladies. In addition to this, I have been a Bal Vikas Guru also and have been taking classes for Bal Vikas students at my home. My both sons have also gone through the 9 years course, and one is still pursuing uh, and giving his services to Sri Satya Sai Seva organization from at national level also, in Haryana and Chandigarh level also. Baba's so many teachings are there, but the most impressive, or the teaching which touches me always, is that come here empty handed and I will give you Ananda. So, for so many years, I've been coming here as a Prashanti Sevadal, but before coming, I used to feel how will I manage at home, how will the children manage it in my absence, how will the house run. So many thoughts used to come. But the moment I used to step down from the taxi and touch Prashanti Nilayam grounds, all the tension, all the stress used to go away. And I used to be in Baba's Ananda whenever I was here. So that is the first experience that I experienced. Today also, we have just landed after my retirement first visit to Prashanti Nilayam. It was mainly my husband's desire. So I came here, and in the train also, in my family group where myself, my husband, and my two sons are attached. So there was something going on that they were all not responding in that family group. And just when I came here, and after just half an hour or so, I wrote in that family group that we have reached Shanti Nilayam. So my elder son wrote, I have reached New Delhi back from Prashanti Nilayam. And my younger son also, in a lighter mood, laughter mood, wrote that I have reached my kitchen to prepare coffee. So this was again a source of ananda to me, that when this group was going dead for a few days, has again been revived the moment I have touched Prashanti Nilayam. And Baba's experiences, so many little experiences are there. Uh, One I remember, I used to take Balvika's class in my home, and all the children were sitting, and the class was going on. And then I got a message through a phone call that we have to take a picture also of the running class. So it was a natural class, but the moment I came to know that now this photograph will go to maybe state level or the national level, so I started arranging the students, please sit properly, open your this Bharatikas Sanmukh Shlokas, and the process. I also tried to touch and move Baba's chair, and only I know, and I cannot express in words, when I pulled as a chair, I pulled Baba's chair just to have a good picture to be sent to the national level or state level. I got a current inside. Means I got the feeling that I am sure Baba sits in that chair. I cannot treat It's simply as a chair and just pull it like that just for the sake of photograph. So that is just one simple example that I remember as my experience, and I still seek Baba's love, and I still seek to be called as Baba's devotee, because unless we totally surrender to Baba, we cannot call ourselves as Baba's devotees. We have to be totally devoted to Baba. So I love that surrender prayer where he says that why get agitated? Leave all your problems and tensions to me. I am there to take care of your problems. You just relax, close your eyes, and say, Thy will be done. So we need to have that conviction that His will is the best for us. So that is a learning process which will keep going on while we go through the ups and downs of life and experience Baba's love also. Sometimes we experience some distance also from Baba, but I think that surrender prayer keeps us moving and to reach the final target, love all, serve all. Unless I am able to see Baba or God in the last man on earth, means unless I am able to accept each and every soul I come across as God's answer, till then my journey continues and continues. So I seek Baba's grace for the whole of mankind, because the whole mankind, Baba says, is my family. All are family members. So I pray that Baba or Almighty God comes in everyone's heart. Everyone is light, so light that everyone can fly and reach and touch Baba's Dham, the ultimate target of our lives. Om Shri Sai Ram.